Ну.
Ну, мы еще, знаешь, она потом сейчас не подарили, короче, бесплатно.
Okay, so it's pretty much the same engine like the other Toyota. So we're gonna do the oil change again on this thing. So it's the same thing basically.
Is it the same size?
It's actually the same engine. Millimeter, remove the drain plug. Well, it's draining.
Still a nice car, man. Like it.
Okay, tightening that thing down. Okay, that's it. Now let's remove the filter. This cup right here. Okay, and I'm using 15/16. So remove that thing. Okay. Alrighty. Old filter was out. Now let's put a new one. This is all done. This oil in this thing. This thing was full, so I put like 3 quarts for now. Just started check the oil. Okay. Now I'm just gonna shut it off.